You are going to love the 2015 Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, passenger airbag, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, fog lamps, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, rear wiper, heads-up display. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.